Okay guys, this ornament, it will be kind of like two together. I am making in my mom's memory because she's no longer with us. So what I have printed out is some of my stickers on my Cricut, and I'll be using this on this side, and on the opposite side of the ornament I will put this one on, and her name and date of birth and date of death. So that would be that. And since she really liked knitting, I have seen my friend Elizabeth did a knit ball ornament. I was inspired by that, so I'm gonna try and wrap this yarn around this ball. And to make the little knitting tools, I'll use my toothpicks, along with I'll use some of the berries and I will color them blue because blue and yellow are Ukraine colors. And of course I'll use the jute to kind of make a little hanging so I can attach it together. It should be a really cute and really easy ornament, and I think it's going to be very sentimental as well.